Okay, so the first thing I want students to work on is learning how to change. Learning how to change sung, like melting everything from the bone is much more important just in terms of like basic health. Learning how to change and receiving before you issue. A lot of people want to issue and stuff. It's much more important to learn how to change, to receive power, and to let it go, to let things go. Okay, because we all have life. And it's much better to learn how to receive forces, let it go, learn how to change, than like issue power. Like in daily life, we don't really even issue power, so it's interesting, isn't it? So it's good too if you have a partner. You can feel their tension and they can start to work themselves through that tension to melt through it, so it becomes cooperative. You both can become good. It helps everyone rather than just someone issuing through you. It'd be hard to learn that way. Yeah. It becomes like a cooperative game to like go with the flow, because they're going to be like forces that are more powerful than you, they're more chi than you. So you can still use what you have, to go with the flow, right? And you can also use it to loosen, you can use their power to remove any tension that's in your body, right? You don't have to like give them your tension. You'd be like, I just do a loosening, right? Yeah.
So slippery.
So it becomes very enjoyable, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, good. Yeah. So let the mind go, let it relax, let the mind turn into water. Yeah. Good. Stand the feet. Yeah. So this is a very important set that a lot of people don't learn because they want like power, which is fine. You'll have power, you'll lose power, you'll die. It's more important to learn how to change it first. Yep. Yep. The rebounding sets we can learn like individually, and then you can put them into the set. Yeah. So you learn the rebounding. Right? Okay, so. So learn how to change, right? Because you don't want to get stuck in my power.